Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my new Realme 9 5G Pro which I have bought from Flipkart few days back in a big billion days series. So from the video you can see that this phone is of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. It comes with Android 11. So let's begin. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. So first let's see what is inside this cover. It is a typical case which is transparent. It also contains a user manual, and basically it is a good cover, right? And we also got one sim ejector key. So let's keep aside and now open our phone and see what's inside. So leave it. Let's see what is it, the rating of our charger. So here you can see it is 9 volt and 2 ampere, that means 18 watt maximum. And also the USB cable is, I think it is of, yeah, it is of type C cable, and it is good quality, right? I can see it is of good quality. So let's keep aside and let's try to reboot our mobile. Let's see how it's look. Our first impression, its back camera looks good and color is also fabulous. Now let's try to reboot my system, sorry, my mobile, and see what's how its UI. This is my first Realme phone. So let's reboot. After the reboot you can see that the UI is super. The camera in the corner looks fabulous, right? So when I see, you can see all the pre-installed apps are there, all the useful apps are already there. And let's check the camera. So allow, first allow all the settings, and now let's take a pic of this charger.
क्वालिटी ठीक है क्या?
You can see quality is good. Okay, let's take another picture of the box. Let's see how it's look like. You can see picture quality is good, right? So let me check these phones for 2 3 days. After that I will post one reviews about these phones. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye. Please keep like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.